Hello, hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to encrypt the Azure virtual machines. So there are different ways to encrypt the Azure virtual machine. One, you can apply host level encryption. You can do server side encryption. So let's see one by one. Now I log into the Azure portal. Go to your virtual machines. Now you can see I have two virtual machines. So let's start with the encryption applied to my one of the machine. So click on the virtual machine, then navigate to the disk. Now if you observe over here in virtual machine, it's encrypted with PMK. SEC with PMK is the Azure default encryption mechanism called as server-side encryption with platform managed key. So all the VM created in Azure all already encrypted with SEC with PMK. But if you have requirement to bring your own key and you want to use your own key, so it is called as customer managed key. So you can do the encrypt your VM and your disk with customer managed key. So let's see how you can do that. So click on your disk first, then navigate to the encryption, and over here you need to change the method from platform managed key to the customer managed key. So once you go here, so you require one disk encryption set, key vault, and the key to perform these steps. So you can see I already created one disk encryption set, key vault, and the key that you need to see. You need to click and you just need to save. Then you can see the encryption is already started. So let's wait for to be completed. Now you can see it's completed. So once it's get completed and go back again to the encryption, and you can notice now it's managed by customer managed key under the disk encryption set. So if you see over here again into the disk, back to the disk, let me show you. Now you can refresh over here. You can see it's already encrypted with SEC with CMK. This way you encrypt the machine with your own key, and the prerequisite are you should have disk encryption set, so that you can create under the service disk encryption set. Over here you can create your own disk encryption set, and over here you need to specify the your resource group, your disk encryption set name, and over here you need to map your Azure key vault. So you should have already key vault created. If not, you can create from these steps itself, create a key vault, and you can create a key from here as well, or you can use your existing key as well. And then you need to click on review and create. I'm not going to create right now because it is already created, and you can see here. So I already created. And one more thing, that key vault, and over here you can bring your own key under this key vault, or you can create your own key vault from here. So click on create, provide the basic requirement like resource group, key vault name, and then you need to create a key vault, configure access configuration, and networking part. You can customize whom you want to give access from which network that you can specify, and you can create a key vault. So this way you can do the server-side encryption with customer managed key for your disk. Another part is while creating Azure virtual machine, at the time of creation of your virtual machine, you will have option to do a encryption. So let me show you that option to you. Under disk, if you see, there is option encryption at host. With this also you can apply the encryption at host, and make sure Azure Disk Storage Encryption automatically encrypts your data stored on Azure managed disk, OS and data disk at rest by default when persisting it to the cloud. And over here, once you enable, you can apply the encryption at host. But make sure either you can do the encryption at host or you can do the server side encryption with customer managed key. Both option you cannot use at a time. If you want to see, it's disabled. And if I don't want to use, I will keep the default one, and then only you can use it. So let's test one and click on next. Okay, and one more thing, that encryption at host you need to enable at subscription level. So you can see over here, encryption at host is not registered for the selected subscription. So if you once you enable, you can use leverage this feature, encryption at host. Okay, thank you for watching.